Welcome to a video tutorial about how to use Form Designer, or what happens when you click Extract Questions and Generate Answers in Autofill. So let's go to the Autofill tab and autofill a new form. For this demonstration, I'm going to skip each of these steps. However, if you don't know how to use them or what the benefits are, please do go and look at the other help articles on the website. So, extract questions and generate answers. From here, the process is entirely automatic. You can close this, and as you can see, all questions will be extracted, and the answers will start to generate. You will then get a notification, and you can come back to review those answers. However, if you want to dive more in depth, we can click on Review Extracted Questions and go into what we call Form Designer. Here you will see each individual question provided with a number, and what we can do from here is we can click Retry Question Detection if there are any issues, or we can just leave it to start generating. As we can see, this has extracted all of the questions. This all looks good, but for now, what we're going to do is stop this from generating and retry question detection. When we retry question detection, we can provide a prompt and we can say, make sure that all options are extracted correctly from only odd numbered questions. This sort of prompt gives the AI more information of where to look within the form and can be very useful in extracting particularly difficult questions. However, more often than not, we can just enable extended thinking, and whilst this will take longer to extract questions, it is usually a fix for a lot of the problems that can occur when extracting from complex forms. For now, I'm just going to cancel this. If you were to extract the questions though, what would happen is this process would start again, every question would extract, and it would start to generate normally. What we can also do here is we can edit the settings that we had when we set up the form. So we can include more instructions, type instructions if we skipped it, save it as a template. We can edit the knowledge base that is being inquired against, and we can also add additional guidance notes. If we make any changes here, we have to click Save Settings. When we've made all the changes we want to make, we can click Generate Answers. If you do have any issues, and a couple of answers have generated and you have some issues, you can click Analyst Help. From this point, you can select the issue that you have, speed, something else, answer formatting, whatever it may be, and include a description for us. Once you press Submit to Analyst, that will come to someone like myself, a senior analyst here at EA, and will be able to action and have a look and help you to extract the questions and generate the answers that you want to generate. Any other issues, you can use the Get Help button in the left-hand corner, and we're more than happy to help.